Because no. Okay, this is like actually kind of hard to do. Okay. This is not made by me. Okay, that's better. I'm getting better at this. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna keep spamming shift portals everywhere. All the way to the top. It's not the top yet, so I'll just spam more. Why don't I just swipe? Yeah, there we go. I'll just swipe. You can just press swipe. No, two.
I just died at 71 on Kata. No.
Again?
Yeah, again.
Shoot.
It's even at 71.
Okay, yeah, this works. This works. Save and exit.
Oh my god, guys, I just got 40 to 100 on fucking Black Blizzard. Holy shit.
Whoa.
Oh my
Nice.
god.
Go.
Let's go.